Hello to all my Adult Tuesday crafters. My name is Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library, and I'm going to tell you about what you're going to find in your November take-home craft kit, okay? What you're going to get is, it stands up, it's like a sign. One side you've got a chalkboard and a piece of chalk, and the other side has got a design kind of almost like etched in there. So you can paint this side, and then this side here you can leave messages, okay? Like, hot cocoa in 20 minutes, or we need to buy more marshmallows. So you can write whatever you want with a chalk on it and then erase it. And on this side here, you can make this design your own sweater. Some of the design in here is kind of etched. So you just have to kind of go with it, all right? Or maybe you can even try painting over the whole thing. So I started mine because I wanted to see whether or not the paint would stick or not. So I found that paint does stick real nicely on there. And you can also use permanent marker too, to paint more of the details. So the first thing I did was I painted the top part of my scarf. I'm not painted it, sorry. I used a marker, okay? And then I painted over it. And I took a paper towel and just kind of got off the extra paint. And see, underneath that, you can see, or you can actually feel, where I had put the marker on there to make the design. Now, these aren't green stripes on my sweater. What this actually is tape. I used some painter's tape, which is doing a really good job sticking to my craft here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that way I could paint the whole thing red without having to do a lot of detail. And now I can go back and fill in that detail. So maybe I would like to color in some more with the green. So I can do that, or you can pick a different color. So in your craft kit, you're going to get your sweater chalkboard, and then I'm going to let you find your own paints or markers, okay? Because there's lots of different colors out there, lots of different designs. And I know from experience that everyone likes to do something different on craft night. So I will leave it up to you to find markers and paint, and you can design it whatever way you want, okay? So I colored in that area there with a marker. And like I said, you can feel this kind of like a wood burning. Someone's like burned the design in there with a wood burning tool. Okay, so then I'm going to go and paint some more over there. And see, it's easier now that I blacked that off. Oops, can you see? To go back now and paint in between. All right, I won't bore you with you having to watch me paint the whole thing. So I'm just going to show you one part here that I'm going back to paint after I took off my painter's tape. The painter's tape is real nice tape. You can put that around your windows when you're getting ready to paint. We found a kind of a cool thing to use it here at the library. We have put down some different like brooms and hopscotch and things like that with the painter's tape. So, okay, there we go. I think I got it fairly good around there. Okay, so you can see how I painted that one area right over here. My left, probably your right. And I'm just going to take a wet paper towel, just real damp, and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. That way the red paint doesn't drip into where I just colored with my marker. Okay, the same thing down here. I just blocked off this area here because I've decided maybe later what color stripe I want to do afterwards, okay? So, I hope you enjoy your craft kit, and I will see everyone back in December because I believe we have 2 scheduled adult crafts for December, okay? All right, so stop by and pick up your chalkboard sweater and design it, and please take a picture because I would love to see what your sweater design looks like when you're finished, okay? All right. And I probably won't see you before Thanksgiving, so you have a nice, healthy holiday with your family, okay? Thank you. All right, take care.